think we're going to get started. We like to try and keep it on time. I am Donna Eacho. I am the chairman of the board of Less Cancer, and on behalf of that board, I want to welcome you today to the annual National Cancer Prevention Workshop. I really want to thank all of you for coming, and especially those who came from far away. We have people here today from Washington State, Utah, Maine, New Hampshire, Kentucky, Vermont, Michigan, and I've probably left out a few, but thank you all for being here. Less Cancer began 15 years ago when Bill Cousins started asking questions about how we could prevent cancer and the heartbreak that it brings. At that time, there was little or no public discussion around cancer prevention. Now, Bill Cousins and Less Cancer are nationally known leaders in the fight to reduce the incidence of cancers worldwide. Less Cancer has focused on educating policymakers, medical professionals, and global communities about the behavioral and environmental risks linked to cancer. We work to advance policy solutions to help prevent the disease before it starts. It's estimated that over half of all cancers are preventable. If we can find ways to reduce the incidence of cancer, we not only alleviate the suffering of patients and their families, we also reduce the cost in time and money of medical treatments, and that's something that benefits all Americans. Less Cancer keeps a spotlight on cancer risks from environmental exposures, such as contaminated drinking water and PFAS. We've leveraged social media to reach over 100,000 people daily. Our Save New Hampshire Kids Facebook page has close to 1,000 members in response to New Hampshire now leading the nation in pediatric cancer. We're also happy to support the Flint Registry in support of that community. Additionally, we engage in numerous direct speaking engagements and this annual National Cancer Prevention Workshop. Joining those of you who are with us today is a global community of up to 60,000 people reached through our live stream on the Less Cancer Facebook page. We are so grateful also for our partner on this event, the University of Virginia Medical School, which offers the workshop content online for continuing medical education credits for physicians and other healthcare professionals. Less Cancer is going to continue to reach people through social media, direct education, and the Cancer Prevention Workshop. We also look forward to expanding our relationships with universities and medical schools across the country to better educate and update healthcare professionals about the most recent cancer prevention strategies. We'll continue our critical advocacy for legislative policies that protect the public. Less Cancer is governed by a dedicated and committed board, and I'd like to ask my fellow board members to stand up. We've had tremendous support, people flying in from all over the country. Sorry, you guys got to stand up. Thank you. It's such an honor for me to have the opportunity to lead this distinguished group and speak on their behalf this morning. We know that the work we do can save lives and prevent the suffering that comes from this horrible disease and its treatment. The Board of Less Cancer thanks all of you for joining us today in advancing our mission of cancer prevention. And now I want to turn it over to our founder and leader, Bill Cousins.